Hello, and welcome to a new Plan With Me. It's Rochelle from Plan With Rochelle, used to be Plan With CSRBD, and today we are planning for the week of the 21st of July till the 27th of July. I'm using this kit by Pansyprints, and it is called Lifetime Adventures. I think so, yeah. It's such a gorgeous, Caribbean kit, tropical kit, and I used this kit because this was the week that I was in Gran Canaria for vacation. Um, so yeah, I love the colors, the blues, and especially the green, since green is my favorite color. So it was such a pleasure to work with this kit and with all the things that this kit has. Because it has a bunch of icons in it and it is really easy to crop for my Plan With Me's. If you would like to see how to crop your printables to be able to digitally plan, let me know in the comments down below. And then also on my last Plan With Me, I got a comment that I made it look so easy, and it is easy actually. It's just figuring out how to do everything, which cost me like a year or so, a couple of years ago, to figure out how to digitally plan. Because back then, I just needed to find something cost effective. I live in the Netherlands, and like 95% of the planner community lives in the US and in Canada, and shipping got very expensive. And then from like 2021, it started that I had to pay like extra taxes over all the stickers that I ordered, so it got really expensive. And that was the time that I started to like research how to digitally plan. Um, so yeah, that's why I started digitally planning. Wow, it really is a mouthful for me to say. But that's why I started with the planning in my on my iPad in Goodnotes. So yeah, um, I started recording this video on my iPad when I was before that comment was made, and so for my next Plan With Me, I will make sure to at least film a little bit of the beginning parts of how I do everything on my iPad, because of course in these Plan With Me's you only see me putting down the stickers, but I think filming with like a top down setup, with how I search for my stickers and what things I use with my Apple Pencil and all those things, maybe that will be helpful. So for my next Plan With Me, I'll film just a little bit of that, and then I'll go back into um, the on-screen recording. So yeah, we are starting on Monday the 21st of July. It was our fourth day already of the of the vacation, and we got early breakfast. We got ready because we decided to go to Palmitos Park, which is like a zoo in the mountains in um, Gran Canaria. And so I marked that down with both icons are from the kit. And then she doesn't have like these heart, or she does has heart checklists, but like full half box things and not just the checklists themselves. So as you can see, I created these just by cutting down the sticker on my iPad, which of course I'm also going to show you in the next Plan With Me how to do that. Yeah, and I marked down that we had a dolphin show. They still do dolphin shows over there, and they also did like two different kinds of exotic bird shows. They have just a regular exotic bird show where they show you those like really colorful birds that live over there, and then they also have a exotic predators birds show, which is like with falcons and all that. They release and they fly around the mountain and then they come back. So it was very nice just to watch that. And after that, we went back to the hotel. I had some planning time with Emily, and those stickers with the bunny stickers are from Papershire. I almost used them in all my Plan With Me's because she has a bunch of digital stickers which are very useful. There are not a bunch of shops that have digital character stickers. So almost all my character stickers are from her, from Papershire. But we did some planning. She also enjoys putting down stickers, and my son, he actually got a package full of stickers from Andrea from Scribble Prints Co, which was so nice. Like usually once a week we sit down and then they just start laying down stickers, and I just fill my plan with me or do my stickers in my A5 daily or vertical planner. So yeah, we had some time that day after the shows and after going to Palmitos Park. Then after that, my brother-in-law, he gifted me a pearl necklace because my sister and he always say that I should also wear pearls. My sister Chelsea, she wears a bunch of pearls and he always gives her pearls. And we were talking about that like 2 days before this Monday. And then a lady came over at the hotel and she sold like a bunch of pearl jewelry. So I got one from him. Um, and he gifted my mother one as well, and he gifted her one as well. So it was very nice and sweet of him. And then after that, my husband, he also took me to go buy some pearl rings, which was also very nice. And after that, we had an entertainment. There was like a circus act, so that was fun to watch. And then Emily had a difficult evening. I think it was because it was a very long day, and with all the impressions, she has turned 2 on the 10th of July, so she's very young, and yeah, she just had a very difficult evening. So yeah, those stickers are from Papershire. Then on Tuesday we had a day at the hotel. The kids went swimming, and that like layout swimming sticker is from Papershire as well. Then I reread Crossfire Part 1. I think it's my third reading. Is that how you say it? It's my third time reading Crossfire. So yeah, then after that we had batidos and frappe latte. We ordered some milkshakes that they sold over there at the hotel, which were very nice. And then I walked to the Hyperdino to buy some groceries for the evening, because I like to have snacks in the hotel room for the kids and for ourselves, of course. And they had a refrigerator, at like a small refrigerator at the uh, hotel room, so I picked up like drinks almost every day and water for the kids there, milk. And then the kids fell asleep, and so I washed my hair, and the kids were awake till like 2:30 a.m. because they fell asleep around 5:30, which was very late, and they fell asleep while we were walking to the grocery store, like to the Hyperdino. And Gran Canaria has a bunch of mountains, of course, because it's a volcano island, and so they were sleeping in their buggies, which wasn't really the best thing to decide, but we did anyway. So that was fine. I just had some time to wash my hair and do my hair like I wanted to. And then on Wednesday, it was another day that we decided to stay at the hotel, or so we thought, but we decided to have the late breakfast, of course, because they fell asleep so late. And then we had a 20-minute walk to a shopping center in San Agustin. And over there was a place that sold like these ice cream and chocolate chip cookies and like warm brownies with ice cream and all. So we decided to get something, and I really wanted the brownie, but I'm allergic to nuts, and brownies are often made with nuts, and so were these ones. So I just got a like huge American chocolate chip cookie, which didn't have any nuts in it, and then I had ice cream on top of it, which was very nice. And then we decided to walk like a 20-minute walk further to a shopping center, which was called Tropical. Over there, I bought a new swimsuit because the day after we would go to Aqualand, which is like a swimming center. It's not really a center, it's like a swimming amusement park. Yeah. So I bought a new swimsuit, and then we had a 60-minute walk back to the hotel, but we walked along the beach, so it was very nice to do. And then in the evening, we were playing with stickers again, because I always pack my stickers with me to go on vacation, just because I have a little free time. I enjoy spending that time, like of course watching Plan with Me, but also just stickering away. So that's what I did in that evening. And then on Thursday the 24th, we have an early breakfast. We got ready and then we had the bus to go to Aqualand, which was like the bus to Aqualand and the bus to um, Palmitos Park are the same bus. Sorry if you hear my phone. The buses are the same, and so we had to leave the same at the same time, which was in the morning. So we got that early breakfast, and then I marked down with that same tropical swimming layout sticker from Papershire that I that we were at the swimming amusement park. And again, I didn't have any checklist, so as you can see, I just cropped the glitter headers, yeah, to create some checklists myself. And I marked down that I bought swimming shoes for us all because I don't know what it is. I just enjoy having something on my feet while swimming with a bunch of people. And then I went to the slides and the crazy river, and we took the bus back to Clinica Roca, which is where our bus station was, for the hotel. And then after that, they in the theater, the entertainment was like the Mary Poppins spin-off, which was so cool. Actually, they did all the dances and all the songs, so that was very nice. And then Friday the 25th, my husband, he gave me some stickers from Squirrel Prince Co. So I marked that down with the gift sticker. And then he also gifted me Pretty Pink Co. So I marked that down as well. I think over here I was busy with, yeah, with Andrew. He asked me something and I forgot to stop recording. So that is why it was slightly tilted, or slightly, it was tilted. Then after that, I marked down that it was payday from both of my jobs, which now I am in my last weekend actually, because it's Saturday. I'm in my last weekend before going back to school as a teacher, before the vacation is over. So now I only have one job, which is teaching 6th grade from Wednesday till Friday. Then we walk to the shopping center, the tropical one, so the 60-minute away one. And my sister convinced me to go parasailing with her, so that's what we did. I was actually very scared at first, but then we still went and I really enjoyed it. Sorry, I got a call and I have my daughter Emily with me now. Say hi. Hello. Hi. So if you hear her, so sorry, it's like a chaotic plan with me. But if I don't record this, then it will take another couple of days, I'm sure, to do this voiceover. So we are just going to continue. Yeah? Thank you. After that, we had lunch at Goose Jackson, and then we went shopping at the Tropical Center. I went shopping at the shop where I bought my new swimsuit because that day I already saw like fun sunglasses, and I decided that day that I really wanted to have it, and so I picked that one up. And then I started packing up all the suitcases in the evening because it was our final day on Saturday the 26th. I cleaned the bedroom in the morning and then I packed the last part of the suitcases because it was already like very late. Went to bed at 2 a.m. or something like that. And so I packed the last stuff that I still had left out to do in the morning. Bless you. Then after that, I checked out from the hotel and we went to the Hyperdino to pick up some groceries to take with us to the airport, or to the airport to take with us on the airplane, because it was like a 4.5 hour of flying. And then we have Emily with her 2 years old and Andrew's 3 years old, and so I always pack a bunch of snacks to go with us or to take with us. And then after going to the grocery store, we just played some games. I played Uno with Chelsea and my husband just to kill some time, because it was not enough time to really go somewhere like to a to the shopping center or something, but there was enough time to just sit around at the hotel and enjoy the last few hours. And then first we thought that we would go swimming, but after that we decided, or after thinking about it, we decided to not go swimming because if we would have done that, we would have to try and arrange a room to go shower and then change the kids. And so we just decided to play some games and for them to just play something as well. Then we had the taxi pick us up to go to the airport. And while we were at the airport and during the flight, I had a YouTube binge. I watched Age of Umbra from Critical Role, which is like a group that does Dungeons and Dragons games, and they also have their own game, Daggerheart. And I really enjoy watching that, so I just downloaded it to watch it during the flight back home. And then after that, before the flight, so at the airport, we decided to pick up some Burger King for dinner. And then that flight bunny sticker, of course, is from Papershire, which you will see in just a second. I love her layout sticker so much. And then I didn't have any place to write what happened that evening when we arrived in the Netherlands again, but at the airport our like luggage got stuck or something. It was delayed as well, and so we were there. We landed at 12:30 in the morning, so AM, and we were home at 3:30. So yeah, we slept in on Sunday the 27th, obviously because it was so late on the 26th in the evening. And then the kids got new buggies. My mom picked up some new buggies and they were supposed to arrive just before the vacation started so that we could bring those along with us. But that didn't happen. And so we we unboxed their new buggies on Sunday. We decided to take them for a walk and we picked up some groceries while walking. And then we tidied up downstairs. We threw away all the trash because it's something we always do. Like usually we just clean right before we go on vacation, but it was a very, very busy time just before this vacation, and so we did it that day. Then I took the time to do all the laundry from all our suitcases, our luggage, and we watched Bed and Breakfast in Love here in the Netherlands. We have Bed and Breakfast in Love. It's like a program with B&Bs in different or in Sweden or Switzerland or you name it, they have it. But and they are and so they can they open up their B&Bs for like 3 to 5 different people in order to be able to just get to know them and see if they can, bless you, find love. And so we just watched that. And then in the evening, I ordered spring rolls and samosas because it was a one-on-one deal and I didn't want to cook anything. So yeah, I think I also decided to order boba with it that evening. And so we were just having a chill evening. That was Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, but you would like to see more of the Plan With Me's, then hit the subscribe button. I will be back with another Plan With Me very soon. Thank you.